Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up settings. From here, scroll down to General Management, where you'll find Reset. And from here, tap on Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all other user data. So in other words, if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, things like your photos, music, videos, whatever it is. Otherwise you lose it permanently, but assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, simply scroll down and tap on Reset, delete all, and the process will now begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.